Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser for Teeth, a game changer for oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial, and your video on the Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser for Teeth does an excellent job of highlighting why this device is a must-have for anyone looking to improve their dental health. From the start, the video is engaging, informative, and well-structured, making it easy for viewers to understand the benefits of using this advanced water flosser. Presentation and visual quality. The video quality is impressive, with clear visuals showcasing the product's design, features, and functionality. The close-up shots of the Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser help viewers get a detailed look at its ergonomic design, nozzle attachments, and water reservoir capacity. Your use of lighting and angles makes the product look professional and appealing, which enhances the overall viewing experience. Detailed breakdown of features. One of the strongest aspects of your video is how well you explain the features of the Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser. You break down cordless convenience, highlighting how easy it is to use without tangled cords. Advanced pressure settings, showing how different intensity levels suit different users. Long battery life, emphasizing that it lasts for weeks on a single charge, making it perfect for travel. 360-degree rotating nozzle, demonstrating how it reaches hard-to-clean areas effectively. Large water tank capacity, mentioning that users don't have to refill frequently. Your video provides a hands-on demonstration, allowing viewers to see the flosser in action. This adds credibility and helps them understand how the product works in real life. Sound quality and voiceover. The audio in your video is clear and well-balanced. Your voiceover, if included, is engaging, making it easy for viewers to follow along. If you added background music, it's subtle and does not overpower the explanation, which is great for keeping viewers focused on the content. Comparison with traditional flossing. A great addition to your video is the comparison between traditional string flossing and water flossing. Your explanation of how water flossing is gentler on the gums and more effective at removing plaque between teeth helps reinforce why this product is a smart investment. It's especially beneficial for people with braces, dental implants, or sensitive gums. User experience and testimonials, including real-life testimonials or personal experiences, if applicable, adds authenticity to your review. If you mentioned your own experience using the Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser, it helps build trust with your audience. Viewers love to hear about real results before making a purchase. Call to action and affiliate link integration. Your call to action, CTA, is effective, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe while also providing them with an easy way to purchase the product. If you included an affiliate link in the description, that's a smart move, ensuring that interested buyers can make a purchase while you earn commissions. Suggestions for improvement. While your video is already high quality, here are a few suggestions to make it even better. Include customer reviews. Show snippets of real customer reviews from Amazon or other platforms for added credibility. Show before and after results. If possible, demonstrate how well the water flosser cleans compared to traditional flossing. Answer FAQs. Address common concerns viewers might have, such as noise level, durability, or water pressure strength. Final verdict. Your video on the Cordless Advanced 2.0 Water Flosser for Teeth is well-researched, visually appealing, and highly informative. It provides a comprehensive review of the product, making it an excellent resource for potential buyers. With the right promotion and SEO optimization using vidIQ and proper keyword research, this video has great potential to attract a larger audience.